Hey guys, my name is Amber and I am here with Team 15205 The Diamonds, and we are here to teach you a bit about the sketching tools OnShape has to offer. Now, in case you've never heard of OnShape before, make sure to go check out some other videos we have to offer to sign up for an account and to import projects. Now to get started with the video.
We are going to start off with a blank project. We are starting at your profile's homepage, just after you log on to your student account. Once you get to that page, click the Create button in the top left corner and create a document. The document will open in the standard three-point view. If you want to clean up the page, go to the left menu and hover over each plane. Notice the eye symbol next to each name. You're going to click on Front and Right in order to hide those from our view. This will make viewing your creation a bit easier. It can also be used on any part that appears in the drop box. Next, look towards the left side of your ribbon. You'll see the tool sketch. This is where we will go for this series.
Once you click on the button, it will open a small window. Make sure the surface you want to create is selected. It has shown over-defined text to see your wider workspace. This varies for each user. You can also edit the name of your sketch. We're going to name it Practice. Now, to get to our view, click on the box in the top right corner and adjust your viewpoint using your cursor and your mouse wheel as you please. Finally, we can get to work with some tools.
First, we're going to learn a bit about the shapes offered on OnShape. As you can see in the ribbon, we have a line, box, circle, three-point arc, polygon, and finally a spline. It's a curved line. We will start with a simple box. Using the line tool, press the button and then tap your work. From there, you can create any line you wish. As you move your cursor and click, the lines will show you their dimensions. We are going to use a small box, let's say 2 inches and 1 inch on each side. You can make any unique shapes using the line tool. Next, we are going to use the rectangle tool. Click on the button, then drag your shape into your work area. Once this has been completed, you can adjust the length and width by clicking on the numbers that appear above each side. This box will have the same size as our first example. And don't worry if you mess up just as I did. You can use the tools called Dimensions available on the top right ribbon. This tool will measure your objects and correct their dimensions. We'll go over in a full tutorial later. Now we can add more shapes. The next tool is the three-point arc. This tool can be used to add proportions on plane shapes such as rectangles. Their first point will determine the point of the object. Next, you can see the 2 points appear. One will follow your cursor, and the other will demonstrate the center of the 3 points. We will put our next point here.
Once that is complete, I'm going to add a few more of our shape in order to close the open portion. Now it looks a bit like a silo or barn. Next, we have the polygon. This shape is unique because once you place the object, your next option will be to adjust the amount of sides on the shape. As you shift your mouse, you can view the numbers fall all the way to 3 and rise to a large number we probably won't use. To keep it simple, we are going to stick with 6 sides and place it on top of our first rectangle.
Finally, we have reached our spline drawing tool. With this tool, we are able to create multiple points. Using the spline, we are going to add a small soft corner around our object. This tool will continue after each click. To cancel, make sure you press Escape on your keyboard.
Now we have learned all the shapes offered by OnShape. Make sure you investigate on your own and explore the program. You may have noticed the drop-downs next to some of the shapes. Those include additional functions that may work better than the given shapes based on the project. Next, we will learn the additional tools for the sketching process: the point tool, text, and construction tools. Be sure to stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.